Hello, welcome to Phonics, and this is the week of May 11th, 2020, and we're working on prefixes today. Last time we reviewed high frequency words, and tomorrow or next time we're going to work on homophones. So prefixes are what we're working on today. So let's get started with day 2 of our phonics lesson. So today you will need a writing utensil, some paper, and a highlighter. You can use a yellow crayon, a yellow marker, yellow color pencil, or highlighters if you have them. But you'll definitely also need a pencil or a pen. All right, so let's get started for prefixes. Prefixes are parts that we add to words to make a brand new word. So for instance, if I say reread that text, the base word was read, the prefix was re, and the word was reread, so that means read again, because the prefix re means again. Today we're working on the prefix out. The prefix out means greater, better, longer, away from. So for instance, if I had the word outnumber, number is the base word, and out is the prefix. Outnumber means a greater number. So, like for instance, I was outnumbered when I got to the store. That means there was a lot more people there than me. Okay? Outlast, that means to last longer. Like for instance, my kids can outlast me on a bike ride because I'm a little bit out of shape. Okay? To last longer is outlast. All right, so we're continuing on now. We are going to use our highlighters here. We're going to highlight the prefix and we're going to underline the root word or base word, and we're going to write the meaning of the word. So the word is outlaugh. The prefix is out. Outlaugh means to laugh longer. So if I was telling a joke and I could say, oh, I was telling this joke and my son outlaughed my husband. He thought it was so funny. That means he laughed so much, much longer than my husband. Outlaugh. The next word, outmaneuver. Okay, to move faster than someone or to make better moves than someone. Outmaneuver. So if I'm playing soccer and I am a forward and I outmaneuver the defender, then maybe I can score a goal, right? Because I moved kind of better than the defender. All right, outmaneuver. Outlook, to see things from a bigger perspective. So for instance, if I have an outlook on life, a positive outlook on life, that means overall I think positively. It's not just how I see things right now. It's the overall big picture, the outlook. Outclimb, to climb better than someone. So for instance, if my cat, I don't have a cat, but I'm just, thinking about this. My cat could outclimb my dog, right? Because a cat can climb up a tree. Outdazzle, to be more dazzling than someone. So if I outdazzled someone, I must have had a really beautiful and bejeweled dress or earrings on or something to be more dazzling than someone. Out hustle. This also works for soccer. If I out hustle someone, there's out. Don't know where my, oh, here comes my highlighter tool again. So out hustle means to hustle more than someone. So if I out hustled someone, that means I was probably working harder than them. I was running faster. I was just overall working harder, right? Okay, so prefixes again. We're going to locate the words that have the prefix out in each sentence and then determine the meaning of the prefix used. So what I'm going to do here is I notice that my head is in the way. So I'm going to try to move everything up a little bit if I can. Okay, and then I'm just going to slide myself right up there. Okay, so prefixes. Locate the words with the prefix out in each sentence, determine the meaning of the prefix used. So, Joey out-hustled me on the hockey rink. I was too tired. Joey out-hustled me on the hockey rink. I was too tired. So because I was tired, I was not able to keep up with Joey. He was working a lot harder than me. Number 2, I outlasted everyone on the handstand challenge. I outlasted everyone on the handstand challenge. So that means I was longer than everyone else, which is not true. I hope you're having a great day, and I hope you use the prefix out sometime today.